90% sa makakakita ng video na to ay hindi alam yung difference ng weight loss at fat loss. Nakatry ka na bang magpapayat, nag-diet, nag-cardio, and after a while, lumiit ka pero para kang nagkasakit at hindi naging toned yung katawan mo? If ikaw to, tuturuan kita paano mag-focus sa fat loss and avoid weight loss in general. So weight loss in general kasi you're both losing fat and muscle at the same time. This is due to crash dieting, hindi nagra-rise, and puro cardio lang ginagawa. Ang result, nagiging skinny fat yung katawan mo. Kaya tapusin mo yung video na to kasi tuturuan kita paano gawin yung fat loss and avoid weight loss in general. Ang unang gagawin mo is calorie deficit. Hindi rice, sugar, or carbs ang nakakataba sa'yo. It's the overconsumption of any foods in general. So to do this, mag-download ka ng MyFitnessPal to track your calories and do this consistently. Number 2, huwag mong gawing priority ang cardio. Focus on weightlifting instead and prioritize compound exercises and implement progressive overload. This will help you build muscle and lose fat at the same time. Number 3, choose low-intensity cardio over high-intensity cardio. So what you can do is walk 10,000 steps per day. Number 4, and the most important step, consistency and patience. Dahil hindi ka rin naman tumaba overnight, hindi ka rin magkaka-abs overnight. Now, if gusto mo na ako na personally ang gagawa ng program mo and coach you just like how I taught my clients here and here, message mo ako sa Instagram.